Guys, I've got a signal! I've got a signal, guys! Holy fucking shit.
Awesome, man.
Sorry, I forgot my mic wasn't on.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me
I found my dead corpse. It's sucking my dick now.
Where? What?
I see you fucking flying.
Where you at? I was in the middle. Oh shit!
It's sucking my dick.
Ew, what the fuck, dude? Masturbation or incest?
Self-pleasure.
I'm spreading my cheeks, bro. Or it's like at the end of like, you know, in like fucking Sonic Unleashed, or like when you complete the level, he like fucking spins around and then fucking does a pose or some shit. I'm like that. I'm that fresh.
Oh my god, I'm skating on my ass. Pickle dick.
It's like my spine just gave out. I can't stand up. Go back. Stop right there.
Alright.
Hello.
Do you see my flashlight?
Wait, how the hell did you do that? Oh, we can turn our flashlights on while we're in this? Why is your flashlight in your dick?
You didn't know that's where it comes from?
No, I think
I
we
just
make
got a
it.
fucking head screen of your fucking ass.
You like what you see?
It was a fucking like half second of just ass. Get into my van, Magic Man.
I like your van, Magic Man. I can't get in. Kevin, life could be dream. Life could be dream.
Oh, y'all ready? Man, your face look ugly. It's C, press C. Hey. Wait, can you hear me? Awesome, man. Guys, is this better?
Come on, let's go.
Is this better? Yeah, you sound awesome, man. Well, you also black. Stop. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! No! Why are you resisting? Put down the weapon!
grabbing first aid.
Put the weapon! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Why are you resisting? Control! Control it! And you back up! I'm down! Stop resisting! Why are you resisting?
So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know what the fuck's going on, honestly. These fuckers keep trying to kill me. Nobody's online, though. I'm fucking sick. I'm bored as hell. This is what we're getting. I need content, bro. I want to have some fun. So, yeah, that's the... Shut up, Barney. You're ruining my intro. Oh, fuck. Long story short, I got AIDS, though. Roof exits... exit. Where? This game sucks. That's an exit, Barney. I don't think the roof is this way. Barney. Yeah, whatever you say, pal. Whatever you say. There's another one? You're like the fucker from World at War, dude. Fucking Reznov was like immortal in like veteran mode or whatever the fuck it was. I'm gonna fucking kill you, bro. Dude, so I was going through all my video files and I completely forgot. I don't know why. I think it was the last thing I recorded. I named the file. I named the files like some really fucking random shit and stuff. So I completely forgot the last video file I had. I just fucking named it hentai for some reason. I played enough Doom to know how to do this. Hold on. Got him. Got him. Get fucked. Oh, bet. Let's go. Oh, shit. Ah! Move, you fucker! Get fucked. I did this before. I'm good at games. I'm good at video games. Get fucked. I fought in the Modern Warfare. In the Black Ops operations. I'm a future Navy SEAL. Oh, shit. It's not gayable. Yo, same. Fuck. No, he's going the same way as me! You juked. Too good. Get the dream music going. Let's go. How many does it take? Jesus. They get fucked. I'm so good. Why does every anime girl do like this pose at one point? Bro, I'm on a budget, thank you very much. I was there to buy stuff for one person. Not one person and 2 fucking aliens from Mars. Yeah, I literally almost got reported for domestic violence and locking you guys in my room like a certain creator. I guess you could say that was the cute side of cat girl. What about that was cute? Dude, I'm just waiting for father to fucking kick in the door and just pull a shotgun on me and end my life right now. Like, dude, this is heresy. Yeah, it smells great. What does it smell? I swear to God, if it's another cat girl, bro. No! No! Food stand cat. Where's your stand, bro? You're just standing in the middle of the street. There's no stand here. I'm getting scammed. Stand. Bonito. That's pretty in Spanish. I know my Japanese. Let's go. That's red. Is it red? I don't fucking know how this world works, bro. Don't ask me shit. Human terms, she looked like she was about 12. Okay, alright. Okay, bro. Cat years, she was about 6 months. Ugh. Young cat girl noticed us and ran over. I'm gonna have to talk to my friend about this shit, bro. No, stay away. Young cat girls are so innocent and super cute. They're the best. That is not a sentence, bro. Food stand owner. No icon, dude. It's like they only drew the cat girls. They didn't get to use the human beings in this game. Don't exist. It's just the cat girls. I'm not the owner. No, dude, stop. You're being gaslit. It's your sister, you dingo fucker. Oh my heckin'.
Next to my PC. Oh, that was my PC cam.
You guys want some chicken? I'm kind of hungry. No. So how's everybody there? Just pretend we're not in a war right now. We're gonna be eating chicken. Pretend we're on a blind date. POV, you're on a date with Ball Crunch right now. And it's going pretty good. We got our food. We touched tips. I complimented you on your dress. You liked my dress. We're best. We're best friends here. So the chicken though, I don't know. It's chicken. I think its later work is a little too new wave for me. I'm a bigger fan of roast beef chicken because or rotisserie chicken because rotisserie it takes a lot less to cut it. Like there's a reason I don't like steak because it fucking sucks. The steak is so hard to fucking cut. Like I know steak knives. Ah! What the fuck? Wait, can I just like? Hold up. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding? Oh, okay. Alright.
Wanna see me speed run?
Alright, let's go. Dream speedrun, dream speedrun. Fucker, come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay, strat. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, I can shoot through the door. Fuck you. Okay, I'm taking damage fast. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, okay. Fuck you. Oh no. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. No, I have like 4 health. Please! Please, boss! Oh. Oh! I did it! I did it! Get fucked, game! Get fucked! I'm so good. I'm literally so good. Fuck that dropship back there, bro. That's like at least 12 right there.
These are fucking man-spreading.
Ow.
Oh, fuck. Oh, hey, what's up, Daniel? Hey.
Hey, welcome to Gmod. Welcome to another Gmod video. Today we're working at 7-Eleven.
Get fucked, Kevin. Oh. I'm gonna teabag your ass.
Stop eating my asshole, Daniel.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh fuck.
Get in the fucking trash, Daniel.
Stop!
There we go. That's good enough.
Hey, that's not a crowbar. That's a hammer. All right, I use it to fix
My
stuff.
bad. My
Alright?
bad, sir.
We're gonna
I'm
fix-
sorry. Holy shit.
Yeah, have you seen my
The
little
fuck?
sister?
Oh
She's
shit.
like-
Hi. Hey,
like-
Kevin.
Little sister?
Yeah, she's like 5'2", maybe a little smaller.
No.
No.
Okay.
What the fuck are you driving in the car? That's not even your car.
No, it's not.
That's not even your fucking car.
Fucking get to the car.
Alright, whatever. Oh, fool.
Leave, girl. Leave, girl.
Hey, brother.
What?
Who the fuck are you? Why do you just call me his brother?
Did you not look at the simulators?
Hey, sister.
Dude, I'm a fucking dude! Get your ass back here!
Jeffrey's alive.
We haven't been able to compare.
Holy shit! Kevin!
What?
Marcel's paralysis fucking finally wore off. Marcel.
I can't see him like this. It's too unnatural.
You made him you made him paralyzed again, you fuck.
David and fucking Daniel's skin is creeping me out.
Yeah, it's not natural. Dave, can you say something, please?
Sorry,
I
I
feel-
forgot my mic wasn't on for like 10 minutes.
Bruh.
What happened?
What happened?
Bro. You have to still run at you fucking moron. Wait, somebody joined.
Go on.
Well, bro, I feel like I'm there right now, and I'm inhaling all the fucking asbestos and, like, fumes and farts from the dead Combine ass balls. Yo, we could totally recreate 2 girls, 1 cup. No, not you, them. 2 girls, 1 rocket launcher. 2 girls, 1 dumbass. How do you zoom in this game? How do you... Whoa! Get fucked. Oh, this is exactly what I need to scoop Pucker. Give me some of that web action. Distract him. Distract him. Ah! Oh, wait, health! Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 5008. So, the Resistance is getting fucked in the ass right now like a lemon, and we're just chilling here. My boys John and Jumba Juna and Sopukini, we all chilling here. We stay in the night 24-hour challenge at this fucking giant ass, I don't even know what this is, toenail. $500 million giveaway when I get 2 subscriber milestone. So, yeah. Come to me. Come to me, my child. Come to me. Fuck. Oh! How did I do? There's 2 of them! Ha! I remember playing this on the orange box and not ever being able to kill the Striders, so I found out a way to just sprint past this part. I had like no health, no ammo, no fucking anything. And I was down to like no armor, no health at all. I had maybe like a smidge of fucking health. And what the fuck? I was down to like a smidge of health, and I was like running from spot to spot, and eventually at some point I just found a way to get past them. But all 3 of them were roaming the place, and I was just running with no health, no ammo, and I fucking just ran past them. All my teammates are dead. This place is blown up. It was like the most fucked thing ever. So yeah, that was my my story. I gotta get better at talking while I have gameplay. I feel like I'm driving while talking to somebody. What the fuck, dude? Come on! Get your bullshit out of my way! Fuck. Oh my god, out of the fucking way, you dipshit NPC. Oh, you're right there. You fucked. Why, bro? Dude! This game is such a load of fucking shit, dude. Get the fuck out of my way. I win. Whoa, what do I do now? I'm gonna blow my nose. Fucking goddamn it, dude. I hate these stupid Striders. Bro, if only you knew, dude. They seem innocent, but they're really just out to get us. They're out to take over the damn world. 7 months old? That's a long time. Do me a favor and put it out of its misery, bro. Then you'll thank me later. Yours were originally straight? Oh, wait, so were they originally mine? And then I moved out, so then it was my sister's. Okay, so they went from dogging on my sister to praising her now a little bit. Oh, we're still... I forgot the food stand owner was still here. But master is master. Okay, you are creeping me out with those eyes. You really might be a cat. I responded with an embarrassed forced smile. I told you, bro. It seems that way. It seems I'm very proud and happy. I'm not. I am under 24-hour surveillance. I am in pain. An opening. Rub. Dude, what was there, like a cat, like, fucking Holocaust? Was there like a cat girl Holocaust or some shit? Yeah, the responsibility in owning cat girls. There's so much wrong with this, bro. Literally, what the what is this, American Psycho, dude? I'm not in an agreement. That is true. This guy is a cyborg, bro. Uncharacteristic thought from me. This guy is... There's something up with Cashew, bro. Cashew's not doing so hot. Oh, finally, we're ordering our food. God. 3 orders? Yeah, they're all for me, because I'm a fat ass. Bro, I said 3. Why are you confused? Can you not count to 3? Like, bro, are you Gabe Newell's cat? Gotti! Get fucked. What the hell? This is like a higher budget Doki Doki Literature Club. Wait a minute. What did Shiggy say? Why did I... associated with psychopaths. Oh, shit. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Jesus, you're loud. What? Are you mad? My question is completely ignored. Bro, this is like... I'm gonna get killed in my sleep. Something's up, bro. This game is not what it seems. Bye. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Oh. He hit the skybox. What? Jesus.
Life could be dream.
Welcome.